Welcome back to the basic JavaScript series. Okay, so what we have here in our console is a named function showAlertOnce. In our function body, the code executed is an alert method, which displays a dialog box. To invoke this function, we have attached it to the scroll event on the window object. Currently, the alert dialog box will appear every time we scroll. However, we want the alert box to show only once. So what I'm going to do now is copy all these lines of code, then reload the browser using location.reload method. Next, I will paste the lines of code back into the console. Then, in the function body, I'm going to add window.removeEventListener, passing two arguments, the event we are listening for, which is scroll, and the callback function showAlertOnce. By adding this line of code wherein we attach the removeEventListener method to our window object, when the scroll event fires, it triggers our showAlertOnce function. The event listener is immediately removed. Let's press enter to execute the updated code. Scroll down and there's our alert. Scroll again and nothing. We have successfully shown the alert only once. There is also a better way to do this with browser storage, but we'll cover that in another video. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.